Thank you very much for this great opportunity. Today I'm going to talk about what exactly is going to happen with the businesses and how we can recover the businesses, especially for restaurant business. So let's understand first that, in fact, I was just talking with one of my friend. He is having a restaurant at Lanka. It's one of the famous restaurant, veg restaurant. I think he's having some non-veg item as well. I don't know. So but he was saying that it's for sure that the next 1 year, now onwards, people are not going to come and sit together and have that same status of the restaurant we can have whatever it was there. So no question is that what exactly is going to happen with that particular area. End of the day, you are going to pay the money, and if customers are not coming, then from where you will get that cost to the company? Like it's a cost. So if earning is not happening, it means that you are going to pay that money from your own pocket. So now question is that what alternative can be done. So we are just talking. I'm just sharing it. Maybe if somebody wish to use it, they can use it. Choice will be yours. That what can be done. Like the end of the day, economy is not going to do well. So again, we are coming back to that stage where roti, kapda, and makan. These three things will be the prime focus for the people. Even makan will be in a different mode. Like it's again costly affair. So roti means bread, the basic essential items. Like that's why if you'll see today in Corona, only business is happening that the essential items business, which are food, especially milk, food, or something like that. And people are having whatever the clothes they are having, they will try to manage with those things rather than going with the fashion and spending money because they don't have they don't have money. Their earnings will be limited. So what will they will start managing those things. So these things will be very, very common, right? So again, possibly we are into this 80s, 85 or 90s days where these things were very common. People hardly bother about what other people are wearing or how many cars you have, because nobody was having. So one person was having television, so the whole world was just coming together and enjoying this family feeling kind of thing. So I'm not getting into that is going to happen up to that level. But what he was saying as an alternative, we are just discussing that if something is in demand, like essential item, commodity item is in demand, and the restaurant is having a food business, so why you are not, why you have closed your restaurant rather than just in that space particularly, there will be two options which can come out. One is a kirana outlet, kirana come what you call takeaway restaurant, and you have to just break the wall and make it a transparent wall where people can see how many workers are there. You can put a big sheet over there at the outside of the restaurant that how many people are working. Like suppose 5 people are working, what is their age, at the time when they entered, what was the temperature, and the kind of hygiene they are maintaining, that can be seen by the transparent transparent glass from those people who are coming to buy directly. Because end of the day, I think the distribution model, like so many other companies who are involved in the restaurant distribution, that will also people try to minimize, because of some issue has been raised, and that one person is carrying corona and he has distributed pizza for 30-35 people, and after that they got affected. So people are scared. It's not that they don't want. People are scared for the family. People are scared for the next uncertainty. So this can be happen, and this should be done immediately, because the cost of infrastructure is not going to stop. The branding which you have done till date, that is not going to stop. Now question is that the families has to survive. Those people who are already working there, they should survive, because they have worked for 5 years, 10 years down the line. Now they have seen that this is a place where I can survive with my family, for my family, and earn the money. So they created a trust or loyalty towards that particular outlet. So now question is that first thing, what should be the strategy? The first strategy should be that survive first, rather than having the old what you call the old situations where lots of people are ordering from restaurant, and restaurant business was really booming because of the so many delivery options. So this is one option. At the same time, tea is one element which people want to always have. So there will be a low hanging fruits where suppose 5 rupee tea is there in a earthen pot. So everybody would love to have at least tea. So 5 rupee earning is not the earning. It's just to attract the customer for buying the product, what is available in the Kirana outlet. At the same time, there is a parallel, a small space is there which can be minimized that for what for cooking the takeaway things. Like nobody can sit now, but everybody can come and they can take the things to their home. So the tests they can what they have lost because of this COVID, at least they can start revising those things. And possibly the new trend will be there that we are having a party at home with the family. Second thing, what exactly is coming to my mind, that those people who are involved in a restaurant business, possibly they should go to the highways, especially once those people who are well within the city and they are having a very strong foothold, and like 100 people are sitting at a time, and now nobody is visiting you because of that problem. Or even at a time you may be giving options like at a time just like a coupon system. What exactly is happening in Delhi, that only at a time 5 people will come or 10 people will come, but again there will be a problem. People may think that somebody may be carrying corona, then what will happen? The temperature, you are checking the temperature and something like that, again checking like what exactly we are having a checking like at the airports or something like that. So I think they should, once they will go on the this highway dhaba business, possibly they can flourish their more business, because people who are coming and they are having they need food anyway. So their such kind of things may not that matter that much. At the same time, they can have they have to have lots of precautions over there, because they are more vulnerable, because they are coming from one place to another place. So what I realized that especially today, restaurant owners should think their business strategy twice, and they should immediately take the action. They should not wait. Most of the restaurant people are restaurant business owners are still sitting, and they have money, they have backup, they have savings. So they're sitting and they're thinking that what should be the next. Either they should start some new businesses, like they may go for agriculture business, or they may start something new which may go parallelly, whatever the money has been left out with you. So this is in a limited time I can say like this, even though we can discuss for next hours and hours. So with this, thank you very much, and once again ध्यान से सुनने के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आपका, and please stay safe at your home. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.